Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. As you can see, my place is a complete disaster. This is the result of my son's birthday party being hosted here and then Mother's Day being the day after, which means I did not clean anything up the day after the party. So if you are interested in some very satisfying extreme cleaning motivation, stay tuned.
So I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head.
Let's jump right in. I'm starting out in the living room. As always, I'm going to strip the couch, wipe down surfaces, and get rid of all of this dry oatmeal. My 3-year-old likes to eat dry oatmeal. Does anybody else have kids that like weird stuff like that? He will literally say, "Mommy, no water. I just want the dry oatmeal." And I'm like, what? But anyway, so I'm just going to get all of this dry oatmeal up. You will see later on that there is cake icing stuck to my very black area rug. This area rug has been through it. So I'm in the market for a new one. Maybe not black, but if I don't get black, that will change a lot of things. So I'm also looking into a new couch, you guys know. So there are a lot of things that could be changing here very soon.
Time goes by and yet I wonder, why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know I should. You cast your spell and now and under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah, made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, oh, right, yeah, yeah. Oh, made a promise to myself, this time I'll keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. Where there is smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day, brighter Hey babe, look what the hole that I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been, might have been. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy, remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I knew you could be my remedy.
This is probably one of my favorite things to do, is to clean up messes using this little brush head that my vacuum came with. I mean, it's so satisfying.
And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. How nice if I just could
that everything is nice and clean, I'm just going to spray the couch with my Zara Home Dark Amber Linen Spray. Having a tiny shadow on your heels while you are trying to clean can definitely be a hassle, but it does have its advantages, like being a bobby pin picker-upper.
But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Now moving on to my little dining area, I am taking down the happy birthday banner. I got this in a party pack from Amazon. I'll link it below if you're interested. But I also moved my little table that was in my room in here to use it as a dessert table. So I'll be just putting everything back in its place, clearing off the table and vacuuming.
Bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine.
I must say, I am very happy that the cake is finally gone, because up until this point, I have been finding random smears of cake icing just everywhere.
When I'm trying to build it up, I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. The light. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you're trying to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah.
for the infamous ledge of death, where all of my clutter-free dreams go to die. I am going to just clear it off and wipe it off, and then we're going to display some of Xavier's birthday cards here just to extend the birthday vibes for a little bit longer, and also having the cards there will keep me from putting anything else there.
Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
Now moving on to the kitchen, it is a complete mess. So I'm just going through and throwing all of the trash away. You see I went in the refrigerator a couple times to see if there was anything I needed to throw away. I refilled my cereal container, put that away, and you'll see I'll be taking care of the dishes, wiping down the counters, and just getting things back to normal.
One too many times, and now it's hard for you to open up. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Let me show you what love is and why it's beautiful. Just put your body on top of mine, yeah. I won't treat you the same way as other girls who have no shame. No, I die for you. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right, treat you right. Yeah, I would never ever let you go. I would treat you right, treat you right. Baby, I would always hold you close. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. You're losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, 'cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better.
After I take the trash out, I'm going to put all of our shoes away. As you can see, things were not being put back like they should be put back throughout the week, but that's okay. We're just going to take a minute right now to get this all tidy and vacuumed. One thing I do want to mention is that I will be cleaning my carpets very soon, so be on the lookout for that.
Calling each other friends. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure.
And we are all done after a week of my apartment just getting messier and messier and worse and worse. It feels good to have things back to normal and reset after the birthday party and after Mother's Day and just after a crazy hectic work week. I hope you guys found some motivation to get up and get cleaning. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Calling us friends, calling us friends. Oh, baby. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. I'm by myself, but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends.